Well, we had a good 4 day run. Now the bus is parked in Nashville at the bus lot, and I'm staying on here until tomorrow night when the bus will leave again for Gatlinburg, where I'm going to be at the Jubilee Conference. Won't that be fun? And Endless Highway will be with me, and Riley and the Lowry Vocal Band. It's going to be fun. That's in Gatlinburg on Wednesday. Listen to the rain. Can you hear that? It is so wonderful to be on a bus when it's raining. You can barely keep your eyes open. It's like being in a tin roof, under a tin roof. Well, it is a tin roof, isn't it? I think it's time for a nap. Can you hear that?